Hello Soul Family, how are you? This is weekly predictions from 2nd of August till 8th of August. Alliance portal gate has opened. Please make best use of it till mid of August for your manifestations. Maybe dream job, offer, love, relationships, maybe you are starting some new business, anything and everything. And happy birthday to all the fellow Leos. So let's start with the weekly predictions. As you know, I'll be pulling out 3 cards for your energy towards your person, 3 cards for your person's energy towards you, 3 cards for your general love relationship energy, and 3 cards for your general energy reading. I'll be pulling out one card that will be answer to your one open-ended question at the end. So let's start. Let's begin with the reading. Okay. For your energy, 3 of Wands, 9 of Pentacles, and 3 of Cups. So yeah, this is waiting game. You are waiting for them maybe to start the communication, okay, maybe to have a strong foundation for your love relationship. And this is not only about love, okay, this is not only about love, this is basically family. This is about your financial stability. I see basically you are waiting for their decision. Maybe some of you maybe they have suggested that they will propose you and you are waiting for their decision. Maybe in general for marriage proposals you are waiting for them, or you are waiting for them to take basically any kind of decision. um, Decision can be of anything, okay, right from, since this is with the 9 of Pentacles, I see um, maybe uh, maybe you are waiting for financial stability, okay, maybe you are waiting for their any kind of job offer to accept. Maybe they are settling down in other I don't see country, but yeah, maybe some other place, and you are waiting for it, okay. This is not, I won't say this is not a basically negative uh, negative kind of waiting. You are waiting patiently, okay, you are waiting patiently something good to happen. This I can assure you, okay. I don't know, but I feel this is regarding something about their job, about their business, or maybe you guys want to start a business together, or maybe you guys have some decision to make. But overall I see a good beginning, a good stability. At least you have reached to the initial level from wherein you can build the stability. the foundation has already started. Okay, the foundation has already done, and now you are waiting for the next step. You are waiting for the next step. Okay, I must say this is not the initial stage. This is not the initial stage for any kind of decision making. Maybe your family, maybe your finances, maybe your love, marriage, but this is the next step. This is the next step in your relationship. You are waiting for that next step in your relationship. Okay, so let me check your person's energy. Nine of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, and Seven of Wands. Okay, so basically they are protecting something. They are protecting, maybe they are protecting their energy. Maybe they are protecting their decisions. Maybe they are protecting what they want to achieve in life, or maybe they are protecting their emotions. They are not opening up. This is a guarded energy. Okay, it is not that they won't communicate, or they won't tell you, or they won't share anything and everything with you, but for them it is at initial level. Okay, whatever they have decided, whatever they are working on it. I must say they are working on it, and they want to reach till this level, and then maybe they will share with you. Till that time they are protecting anything and everything. It is not only about you. Okay, but this energy is generally wherein they have failed some setback. Okay, wherein when they have shared something with you, and not exactly with you. Okay, don't take it personally, but right now they do not want to open it up. Okay, this is quite a good energy, I must say, because until and unless uh, something gets stable, you should not discuss it. Okay, so maybe they are protecting this energy. Okay, and yeah, they want to reach till this level. Okay, maybe you are their Queen of Pentacles. Maybe you are the one who is bringing financial stability in their life. Okay, maybe you are the one who is bringing uh, all sort of stability in their life, and they have realized it. Okay, maybe they are protecting you from their family, or their other members who dislike you, something like that. Okay, but yeah, I must say, with Queen of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, and Nine of Wands, this is protecting energy. So they are protecting anything and everything. So whatever you are waiting for, okay, uh, whatever you are waiting for, they are gonna tell you, they are gonna share it with you. But I feel this is not the right time. Okay, so the waiting period may extend a little longer than what you are expecting, but yeah, it's a good thing. Okay, from here till here you are reaching in your relationship. So yeah, give some time, have some patience, and let them work. You are Queen of Pentacles for them. Okay, so yeah, let them work towards you. So let's see what is your relationship energy for the week. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so ones are the favorite ones. Who is playing this power game? Okay, so soon this waiting period will end. Okay, and you will receive the communication. Whatever you are waiting for, you will receive the communication. And if you believe in me, maybe after 5th of August you should receive this communication. 5th to 5th to 7th maybe. Okay, so till that time, don't get overworked, don't get overloaded. Okay, This is just a time, okay? It will pass, it will pass on. Don't get overburdened by thoughts and emotions. What will happen, when will happen, whether they'll share it with me or not, whether it will be all right or not. Don't worry, judgment will happen. Wait for that divine period, wait for that divine period, okay? Wait for that divine period, and communication will come soon to you. So I feel this is a, maybe you are feeling a little bit frustrated. I generally feel some people, some of you are feeling frustrated at this very moment, okay? Because I feel that energy of frustration, maybe energy of irritation. Frustration might be the hard word, okay? Maybe you are feeling irritated. Why are they not opening up, why are they not taking the decision? And they are like, okay, I'll settle down everything, don't worry, till the time I'll settle down you have to wait, okay? That is their energy. So don't get irritated. This is just a time. With the divine time you will get the answer, okay? Judgment will happen. Till that time, please don't get overburdened by your own thoughts and imagination, okay? So yeah, this is it. Let's see what is your general energy. I don't know why, but I feel this is not typically only about your love, okay? Finance is involved there. Some financial decisions to be made. Maybe some property distribution. I don't know. Maybe you want them to take decision. They will take, don't worry, okay? Okay. See, for your general energy also the situation is hopeful, okay? What you need to do is just be stable in your energy. Just stay grounded, okay? Everything and anything, okay, will settle down only and only when you are positive and optimistic towards your future, okay? If you start feeling negative and start cooking up all the stories in your mind, general, okay, this is not only about your person, in general I am telling you, okay, then things will not get stabilized. What you want to do in life is be hopeful. Be hopeful. This situation this week, okay, the mantra for this week is just be have some patience and let this pass patiently, okay? Have some patience. This will pass on. The things will settle down. Just be little bit hopeful. Hope is necessary, okay? That is what the angels are guiding you. That is what the universe is guiding you. See, sometimes the situation is hopeful, is positive, but in our mind we do not open our eyes and see. What we see is, what we cook is all the stories about the negative things, okay? So do not do that, okay? Be little bit patient, okay? And this will work on. Start working on your manifestations positively. Maybe your job offer, maybe their job offer, maybe starting up new business. Maybe some decision needs to be taken about your family thing. I don't know, but I am hearing words like family, finance, and decision, okay? These are the three words which I am hearing. So yeah, have little bit patience. They will sort it out, okay? With the Hierophant, they will settle down, don't worry. They will settle down everything. Yeah. See, the situation is hopeful, okay? The situation is hopeful, okay? And they will settle down everything. It is just that with the Hierophant, the process or the energy is too stagnant. It is not stagnant also, it is slow, Okay, this energy is basically slow, and what you wish is something fast to happen. So don't do that. Have little bit patience. Come out of this energy. Okay, see, come out of this energy. Okay, the situation is like this. Okay, he or she, your person will sort it out everything. Have trust in the universe. Okay, this is what is needed. So yeah, finance, family, decision. Let me know if it resonates with you. Okay, these three words. Okay, um so yeah, have one question in mind. Okay, open ended, one question in mind. Now I am pulling up cards for your question. Let's see what angels are guiding us. Meditation brings answers, so this is much more important for your patience to increase your patience. Okay, so meditation will bring answers. Start meditation. Okay, start meditating. This will bring stability in your thoughts and emotions. So yeah, this is for the week of from 2nd of August till 8th of August. Please do let me know in the comment section box whether it is resonating, whatever you feel like. I will look forward to your feedbacks. Okay, till the time next time I come with the weekly predictions. Stay blessed, have a peaceful week. Okay, and may my higher self bless you. Thank you so much.